it's time to say bye-bye Japan. Go back to do some homework. We're gonna do some homework to come back next year.
Go down to class tour.
Thank you.
Derrick and Acholi from Gulu City has made it number 5 in the world in the heavyweight championship or bodybuilding competition, which took place in Japan. Olara is an athlete, a fitness coach, also a nutrition coach. He's also a bodybuilder. Activists of bodily health. The event took place from Tokyo in Japan and he emerged number 5 in the world.
注目を集めているジャパンプロのステージ、世界のトッププロがこの日本のステージをめがけて来日、そしてそれを迎え撃つ日本のアス
Congratulations to Mr. Olara for lifting the head of Gulu City high and as well Acholi at large. Thank you.